Hi guys, this is a look behind the scenes. The Got Skills Conference for Cleaning Businesses who also win government contracts is on Monday, November the 6th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take a look at everything that's included. It's a live class. You're going to get a cleaning service template. You're going to get some sample bids. You're also going to get questions that you should ask, market research, capability statement templates, lead strategies, right, for cleaning businesses, some cleaning business industry news. You're also going to get a procurement checklist. Like, all of this is included in your general admission rate. I am really excited about this class. I can't wait to meet the business owners that have already registered. So thank you for registering. For those of you that did so early, registration ends really, really soon. And so you want to make sure that you're registered. So we start the onboarding process. This class is for if you're considering your own cleaning businesses and you're going to learn how to get access to government contracts that are not publicly bid. Okay. So you're not going to find these opportunities on the website somewhere because it's just not public. So this is what you're going to learn. Click the link in the bio to register, procurementqueen.com.